Hello dear students, myself Mr. Kushal Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Hindu College, Moradabad. Today I am going to tell you about Cauchy-Euler equations. We have done this topic in class, but here I am focusing. I am taking one special type of Cauchy-Euler equations that which is not easily solvable by previous methods. So I am going to tell you how to solve this type of Cauchy-Euler equations. As you know, we already done this. The differential equation of the form where a naught, a1s are constants and q is a function of x. This is called homogeneous linear differential equation. Also, we know that this called as Cauchy-Euler equations. As you know that to solve this type of differential equations, we put x is equal to e to the power z. That is log x is equal to z, and we change if we have x dy dx, we write this dz over dx. That is what I am saying. If we change this like d dash. Similarly, if we have x square d square equal to, this can be changed like that. If this is cube, this can be d dash minus 1, d dash minus 2, and so on. Okay. So look at this example. We have a differential Cauchy-Euler differential equation this type. Plus 2y equal to e to the power x, or we can write this. Okay, don't get confused. This is like that. Now this is a Cauchy-Euler equation. So you know how to solve this type of equations. That put x is equal to e to the power z. Now look at the right side. When you will put x is equal to e to the power z, then your right side will be okay, look that this differential equation becomes, then first becomes, this will be d dash minus 1, okay, plus 4d dash plus 2 y equal to e to the power z. Now you can easily find out the CF of this differential equation, but we have a problem how to find the pi if we have right side this type. In previous methods we have a lot of formulas that if right side is sin x, how to solve this. If right side is x e to the power z, how to solve this x e to the power x. But we don't know how to fix, how to find out pi like that type. So I am going to give a formula to all of you that you have to remember this, and you can solve easily this type of Cauchy-Euler equations. So now look at this problem. Okay. So we put x is equal to e to the power z, that is z equal to log x, and we are changing dy. This is x, not this is x. Okay. So then first becomes like that, or you can write this. You can easily find out the CF of these equations. What is the auxiliary equation of this? M square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So what you will get? M equal to minus 2 and minus 1. And you know how to find out the CF of this type of differential equation. The CF is c1 e to the power minus 2z plus c2 e to the power minus z. Now as you seen that we have put x is equal to e to the power z, so we have to change here. So we are putting e to the power z equal to x. So this will be x to the power minus 2 and x minus 1. This is your CF of this your differential equation. But our main focus is on that, how to find out pi. So in this type of differential equation, you don't change the right side. Okay, don't put it to the power z here, just leave it, because if you are finding CF, this is a different thing, and when you are going to find PI, this is a different things. Okay, so now we are going to find out PI. So what you have to do, so you have to remember one formula. Okay, I am going to write this. Remember, what is this? If you have d dash minus a and x, what is x? X is a function of x. Okay, this type of, so you can write this x, small x, to the power a, this a. Okay, and integrate x to the power minus a minus 1 into this x. Okay, and if here g dash plus a, nothing, so you have to write minus a and x, a minus 1 into x dx. So you have to remember both these formulas. Okay, so first of all, you have to break into fractions. Okay, like that. So we are going to see that now pi equal to, and you can separate both. So this will be 1 upon d dash plus 1 e to the power x minus 1 upon d dash plus 2 e to the power x. Now this is in the form of second. D dash, this your here a is 1, here a is 2, and your x is e to the power x. So how you will write that? This is x to the power minus 1, x to the power 1 minus 1, because your a is 1, e to the power x dx, minus x to the power minus 2, and this will be 2 minus 1 e to the power x dx. Simplify this, this will be x minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, x to the power 0, this will be 1. So you will get e to the power x dx minus x to the power minus 2, this will be x e to the power x dx. Now you can integrate easily this. Okay, you can see like that. Pause and note. So look at this. So we had that x, okay, minus. Now you know that you can integrate it easily. What this? Okay, and this is integration by partial, and you can easily write this will be x e to the power x minus 1 into e to the power x dx. But it means is a simple integration, nothing too much. So what you will get? Look at this. This will be minus 1 e to the power x plus x. These will be cancelled out. So your pi will be x minus 2 e to the power x. So now solution is y equal to CF plus pi, that is C1x minus 2 plus C2x power minus 1 plus and so on. So you can solve this type of Cauchy-Euler equations like that. The main important thing is that you have to remember these two formulas. Okay, thank you.